1 bowl peanut butter and chocolate oatmeal cookies recipe. Yield 12 cookies. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 10 to 12 minutes. Total time 15 minutes. Ingredients: 2 super ripe medium bananas, 1/3 cup 85 grams peanut butter, half a teaspoon 3 milliliters pure vanilla extract, 1.5 cups 140 grams quick oats *GF if desired, 2 tablespoons 30 grams dried cranberries coarsely chopped, 2 tablespoons 10 grams roasted shredded coconut flakes, 2 tablespoons 15 grams chopped dairy-free dark chocolate. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 350 F 180 C2. Mash the bananas well in a large bowl. Then add the peanut butter and vanilla extract, stirring until combined before adding the remaining ingredients. 3. Divide into 12, roll into balls and then press down to make a cookie shape. Place on a baking tray with baking paper. 4. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the tops turn golden. 5. Remove from the oven and allow to cool for 2 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. Enjoy! Notes: 1. If you don't have quick oats, pulse regular rolled oats in a blender or food processor until coarsely chopped. 2. If you don't have roasted coconut flakes, just dry roast unsweetened shredded coconut flakes on a pan on high heat, stirring frequently until fragrant and lightly golden. 3. Variations: substitute the peanut butter for any other nut butter. Substitute the dried cranberries for any other chopped dried fruit. Substitute the coconut flakes for any seeds or more chocolate. 4. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days, store in the freezer individually wrapped or in an airtight container for up to 2 months. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.